Hey everyone, it's Glenn at ERD, you know, the guy in the video. And today we're going to talk about some Cutler Hammer Eaton power monitors, a series of equipment that we've done for a number of years. You can see a couple right here on my table. So at ERD we repair a wide variety of equipment in monitoring of things, and this is an example of something that monitors something else. So these are used in large switchgear panels in large buildings and factories to monitor the incoming power from a utility. These IQ analyzers by Cutler Hammer Eaton were actually from Westinghouse way back when, and they're used all over the world. And because they're everywhere, there's a lot of them that are starting to fail, and we have the solution to keep them back up and running. So this model right here is the oldest model that we work on, and this one just has digits, individual digits in the display, and it's not a problem fixing it. The more modern one right here has this LCD that is now a common problem with these as it goes out. So we have designed a retrofit system for this LCD to keep this expensive piece of monitoring equipment back up and running. These are very important for utilities and facility people in their locations so that they can see how the power and the quality of the power is being delivered to their facilities. So once again, if you have any error, any types of repairs in this area or any repairs, check out our YouTube page to see the variety of things we work on and reach out to us through email or give us a call at 336-992-3611. Once again, ERD, where we fix the world.